Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jenny G and this is Jenny's Talk Show and Unisex TV. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are fine. As you can see, good. We give all glory to God Almighty. Today my people, I welcome you all to my talk show and I'm going to use pidgin to break down what I want to talk so. Because this matter so it time pass strong, even we are pampers trainer. Now all about our girls, our ladies, our women. Do you ever say everybody they feel say na 21, I've been at 25, I've been at 26 century, I've been out there, I don't even know self. Everybody feel say make I do anyhow when I feel like to do, you know, concern anybody. This one about a story of a young girl. This thing happened on the 6th of March 2020 at Federal Polytechnic, Oko, Anambra State. Maybe most of you for don't hear this story, I don't know. But not be saying that today me I hear this story, just that I never get chance all this why to talk about some. You know, say sometimes when you know they in the right frame of mind to make video, if you even say me you force yourself go do one, you know if you come out well. So me I decide I can't wait. But today now say me I manage, me I talk about this matter. I talk as me too I take fee for some kind of things where some of our women and some of our girls they do, they feel say you know concern anybody. They just do a massive film. As a young girl, how you go plan with your own bobo where you not there all this while, you not they do everything together, now they jogodo up and down. When are they jogodo? Which man? My question is why I always ask when you are man they jogodo. Wait till you be the reason say now you go be the results. Plasma TV. I been tickets to abroad. Because me I don't understand maybe say every time some of them go say I don't know how it happen. Wait till you don't know how it happen. When you they do finish me, take me to heaven, bring me come down, kill me. I don't know say what you been a think before. Not be saying you don't even do a finish you go so okay now. Most of all our women say don't even know how to take care of themselves, you know, to avoid unwanted pregnancy. Gone are those days when you say me and they believe say when you get blood of wedlock na mistake. Not be now. If it didn't have even happen to you once, okay, I go no, okay, me will talk, me will believe, now me will agree, say yes, na mistake. Not be say when some even do school, they don't remove like 20 and then they forget say future they come when we say they go need this thing so they throw away anyhow. Nobody's perfect though. Me, I'm not even there. I'm not even rich where we say I'm not even there perfect to judge anybody. But the fact still remain the same. Say we go there talk truth. How it they be? How you get there with man you give you belly, you can't agree. Say if you born am, you na go kill am. Why our conscience go these days? This time what we dey now? Where our conscience dey? Nobody get fear of God anymore. Nobody get guilty conscience anymore. Everybody make I do am. After all, nobody wants to see me when I want to do am. And you think say now so you go just reach. You go just escape. You go just start to live life normal. And when the time come when you need that thing, when you just dey kill anyhow, like say na foul. That time you can't complain. You can't call village people. You can't remember when you do meeting for your head. I mean, when you use your own, cause your own problem, eh? Not even put on for anybody's head. Put on for your own head. Now it be my own. So now, so my people, now so they can't arrange. According to the story, I know they there. I know if you talk say I did there, I see am, yes. But and my own be say if really say now so this thing happen. Oh, my sister. Fear God more. I'm not nobody say me you fear man. Fear God. Okay, your conscience, where your conscience is there when you do this thing. You gather mind, your boyfriend plan, you na dey their room, you born, two of you na do am as una like. Una can't even get my take through am from one story building, one through over another compound. You think come backfire them. The baby can't hang for barbed wire. According to eyewitness, person when you see the baby, they come rescue and come be say God do am. Now when God say, "You never be your time," you never be your time. When God say, "You never be your time to get male child," when it be your time, you'll get them. And when it be that your time, you really get them. God said that baby, you know, go die. And really, you know, die. The feel save them, they are alive. Which kind of wickedness be that one? What thing they will call that kind of thing? Our women these days, I can remember that time when we say, for Africa, if you get belly out of wedlock, fear no go even let you let another person hear. Yeah, so they go they hide them. If the family know about them, they go they hide them until you born. They go even carry you go another place. You stay there until you born. When you born, the thing don't maybe don't take time small before people will start to see you. But now, especially in Europe, yeah, okay, now we are. Now then go first to you. They go. Someone said they go even begin the announcer. Well, the fact they don't even pay me pass. Now the ones where be say they deal with man whenever even pay. I don't tell you say you not born for man, if you born for man, but at least respect your family. Respect yourself as a woman. If you born one, say nah, that one, now you know, if that one first happen, yes, make it be like that. If that man want me, you continue to be born for, may you go do the right thing. If the money never there to do the right thing, stay, take care of the one where you don't first born first. After now they see the money, they throw party up and down. They do some of them for year. When we did Nigeria at that time, naming ceremony. Now 1 week after you don't born, Abi are they lying? People they do naming ceremony for Nigeria. Not be 1 week after you don't born, when nobody even know the name of the baby. But for Europe, even 3 months baby, they do the naming. The name when we say they even give her even before they born them, everybody don't even know the name. For hospital, now they know name of baby. As they go look them, they don't ask you the name, you go tell them. But for year, they will come still do naming ceremony, throw party. Some go do dedication, throw party. They will do birthday, throw party. But that man don't even get money to go put for your head. What you now they tell me, Seth? What you now they tell me? If you have someone, they give you an excuse when you don't get head. You never did. If something there, you go do one. You never did walk. You never did walk. That so some of them, the only thing what they get strength to do, now to juggle for us for money tonight. You not gonna leave that young man may go hustle, may go find money. Find money, take so that they go fit take care of you and your baby. Do the right thing at the right time. Not be say you go there, when I go their house for money tonight. Now to the scatter house with what I don't know. At the end of the day, when I go say, now this small money the government they give now, but that small money the government they give now, they use how they do party up and down the work. Cannot be so. So if you see you and do the right thing for house. If you don't even chop at yourself, at least make they put money for your head. You go not say that one don't come out. Some of you go there with man where they open man, they tell them and say you never ready to father any child. We not go secretly because you're not a fine boy, because you're not a person that you go do now so as not like so now who not want you don't just born for him because you not believe say once you born now you go forget all the other women. Now lie. Now so you go there, you go born the first one, born the second one, born the fourth one. Last, you go still if you go marry another person. So which innocent man you they think say now you won't come take responsibility of those ones? After now I call they blame me, say if you know if you accept my children, now that means you don't love me. If now you go fit, no talk the truth. If now even one you get, it's easier for a man to say, okay, let me take it over from here. Not when you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 70% of the men when you deal with women were born for Europe, were born at least 3 to 4 children. May I put on like that? They're there for a reason. Now the simple truth be that one. If they get that to what they find, they will waste. And me and not they blame them sometimes. So yes, I call them selfishness, greediness, like them be. But if you reason on the other way around, now women they cause their own problem with their hands. You go see man where ready to take care of you, do everything for you. No, because you know fine. You know they do swag. You know they put trousers for laps. You know open your ring, you know draw tattoo. You know, put earring everywhere for him body. You know, go there with them. They fine boy. Fine boys have go even tell you say I never ready. No, now go still there. They force yourself. They force yourself before you know it. You go wait to make the belly reach like 4 months. You go tell them. When you know say you no get choice again. If you can't treat you anyhow, you can't complain. Why you dey complain? Now what you want? Not be what you go fight for market. Now you see buy. So now the time when we say we go to use our sense, use our number 6 wey God give us. See as this one now they useless himself. After you dey with man, you carry baby for 9 months in your womb. Oh my goodness. He can't deceive you. Una country no one kill him. After you kill and finish, you're still get mind to joke that man. Aye. If this girl, if you need to collect like 100 slaps every morning, then reset your memory, then reset your brain back. I beg. How would they think before we they act now? Why you say we know so many of them today know they fall in love again with their hearts. They fall in love with their pekus. They don't even know the meaning of love anymore. And they say love is blind. Which blind? They don't blind anything. Love they see like the man touch. You they see. So use your brain when you they fall for any love. I bet this thing they pay me. If you say I continue to talk as it be for my mind, I'm not sure say we will come up for here today. Now simple advice when I they give you. When I give any person who cares to listen there, nobody they perfect. You go even see themselves, person they get belly out of wedlock these days. They're happy. Even some of them say they go even the things that they find picking. They reason to bomb, but they're not the reason say make they do the right thing. Even if you know they do it for yourself, say not be everybody must marry. Yes, we know, but you they call on your husband. Why you they call on your husband? Many of them for Europe are not free wife and husband. Now they do. They don't forget the suffer where their parents suffer for their head. At least regard them, show them some respect. It is said that they're happy. Your family, your mama, your papa, them, the ones who still get. It said that they're happy. So every time you go call them, I don't burn no, I don't burn no. After I don't burn no, in 3 months time, 6 months time, they get another belly. I bet my people, this thing they vex me rich bone. It they vex me rich bone. Say if I start continue to talk as it be for my mind, maybe we'll not go come up for here. If you feel see this thing very well, this thing now, this one where they decide now the baby when they throw away that bad boy and I can't hold the baby so. Just imagine this one where they decide now where they live whether not for hospital where they take care of the baby, I don't know. Now so me I tell see the story so. This one now where they take away, I guess now the eyewitness now he snap am before the people when you rescue the baby come. You know good. You know good. If you never ready to father any child, or if you never ready to be a mother or a father, you go there with sense. You as a woman, you take care of yourself. If you don't know, now many of you just get eye, now they still now get burn, now they use them. What's in YouTube there for anything where you find? Come find out for here, you go see them. How to prevent all these things. There. Follow me for Instagram, I go drop us. So if do what I feel tell you as a woman like me, I go still tell you, may you know how to save yourself from all this embarrassment, from all this wickedness. You know, make sense at all. I beg, let's be wise. Let's use our sense. Now, this more advice. Let me do come today because it's so annoying. It's so annoying. All right, my people. Now, so it be me today. Thank you as I'm going to watch, coming across this video, watch, give a thumbs up, share to people you know, drop your comments down below there in the comment section. I will really appreciate that. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye for now.